Hi, good morning students. Today we are going to study about the powers with the same exponent. Here the base is different but the exponent is power is same. So let's go for the multiplication. That is, let me considering that a and b are the integers. See, a to the power m into b to the power m, which equals ab to the power m. So let me considering that one problem, that would be 2 to the power minus 3 into 3 to the power minus 3, which gives 2 into 3 whole to the power minus 3, that gives 6 to the power minus 3. And how you are going to verify this one? See, let me considering that 2 to the power minus 3 into 3 to the power minus 3. So that 2 to the power minus 3, I can write it as 1 divided by 2 to the power 3 into 1 divided by 3 to the power 3. So that gives 1 by 8 into 1 by 27. If you are multiplying that 1 divided by 216, that gives 1 divided by 6 to the power 3. So 216 I can write it as 6 to the power 3. So for that it gives 6 to the power minus 3. So let me go for the division. So here a to the power m divided by b to the power m, that gives 8 by b whole power m. So let me considering that one problem, that is 4 to the power minus 2 divided by 2 to the power minus 2, that gives 4 divided by 2 to the power minus 2, that gives 2 to the power minus 2. So some more examples for the apply laws of exponent here. So let me considering that minus 4 to the power 5 into minus 4 to the minus 4 to the power 8. So here the base is same, that would be minus 4, but the powers is different. One is 5 and another one is 8. So for this formula is a to the power m into a to the power n, which equals a to the power m plus n. So for applying this formula, I can write it as minus 4 to the power 5 plus 8, that gives minus 4 to the power 13. So similarly, I go through one more example, that would be evaluate 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 5. So for this I can write it as 1 to the power minus 5 divided by 2 to the power minus 5. So here that 2 to the power minus 4, I can write it as 1 divided by 2 to the power 5, and 1 to the power minus 4, I can write it as 1 divided by 1 to the power 5. So for this, if I writing like that, 1 divided by 1 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5. So that gives that 1 to the power 5, that gives 1 only. So that remaining is 2 to the power 5. So that I can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That gives 32. So next, simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. See here, that minus 3 to the power 4 plus 5 by 3 whole power 4. So for this I can write it as minus 3 to the power 4 into that 5 divided by 3 to the power 4, that I can write it as 5 power 4 divided by 3 power 4. So for that minus 3 I can write it as minus 1 into 3 whole power 4 into 5 power 4 divided by 3 power 4. So that gives minus 1 whole power 4 into 3 power 4 divided by 5 power 4 into 3 power 4. Sorry, minus 1 to the power 4 into 3 power 4 into 5 power 4 divided by 3 power 4. So that gives minus 1 power 4 into 5 power 4. Here the 3 power 4 get cancelled. So that remaining is 5 power 4. Next, find the value of 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 2. So here the power is same but the base is different. And the thing is here minus 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 2. So that I can write it as 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2 plus 4 to the power 2. So for that 4 plus 9 plus 16, that gives 29. So next find the value of m for which 5 power m divided by 5 power minus 3 which equals 5 to the power 5. So here 5 power m divided by 5 power minus 3, that gives 5 to the power 5. So for this 5 power m minus of minus 3, that gives 5 power m 5, and that the base is same, but the we are going to considering the power m minus of minus 3, that gives 5, or m plus 3, that gives 5. Here m is equal to 5 minus 3, that equals m is equal to 2. So next simplify 25 into t to the power minus 4 divided by 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into t to the power minus 8, that t which is not equal to 0. How you are going to simplify this one? So see here that 25 into that 5 power minus 3, that will come to the numerator, it become a 5 power 3 divided by 10 into t to the power minus 4 divided by t to the power minus 8. So for this 25 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 10 into that, I can write it as t power minus 4 divided by t power minus 8. I can write it as t power minus 4 of minus 8. So here that 25 I can write it as 5 square into 5 to the power 3 divided by 10 into t to the power minus 4 plus 8. So here 5 to the power 2 plus 3 divided by 10 into t to the power 4. That gives 5 to the power 5 into t to the power 4 divided by 10. That 5 to the power 5, that I can write it as 5 into 5 to the power 4 into t power 4 divided by 10. So here 5 ones are 5 twos gets cancelled. That remaining is 5 to the power 4 into t to the power 4 divided by 2.